down with a £4,000. It's a literal bag of sand. It's nothing serious up road.
No.
This is about as good as we get around here.
Where?
On the floor, there's a TV on the floor back there. You see if it's alright on the way back?
Absolutely.
I can tell by the landscape. Hopefully my light bar's on good.
Window's open, so just oik it out the window.
Well, no, I just didn't know. I don't know. Some people are different, aren't they? So
Yeah.
But I'm driving, so
Yeah. You've kind of got the control, haven't you?
Because you go like this. Really? People have gone around there, so that's not a farm track as well.
Yeah.
So
Got another photo?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think you'll get some wicked shots.
Yeah.
The sun is like perfect place. I'm really scared to come back down it.
Really?
Yeah. Just don't kick it in gear.
Absolutely not.
I don't think they go in there, just still, because the handbrake's on the front.
Is it?
So I mean, like, you can get that with your camera.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Definitely, especially today. Let's go around the front. Is there? That looks sick. Yeah. Oh. Deeper the better.
I think it's like this. Like it's in winter, it's like that.
Oh.
I ain't got that much weight in it.
Not yet.
Oh, let me put the lights on.
Yeah. Aren't they?
And it's daytime. If that bit's still down there, you
Yeah.
won't get a picture down there because it was almost sideways in the real life.
Was it?
That's healthy sounding engine, isn't it?
Yeah, actually.
The other one was. Gonna have to get new LEDs.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're flickering a lot, aren't they? Yeah, bro.
shadow and everything.
It's got a nice silhouette to it. Yeah. 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 All you'd have to do is wrap it in a very similar colour as well, wouldn't you?
I'd probably wrap it red.
Yeah?
Yeah, sick.
I think with a bit of haze in the background and stuff.
But you can do that on that. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sick. Awesome.
Yeah. And
Because I can always edit it.
yeah. I'll send you the originals too.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, put your edits up,
Yeah.
and then I'll edit mine.
Yeah. We'll see what looks best. Have you tried the new Photoshop? Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Let's bounce. Just in case. Yeah.
This one I don't think we're going to get through.
Primed and ready. It's barely touching your wheels, to be fair. Oh, it's going into the wheels. It's not even hitting the skid plates at the minute. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. I thought I'd just go for it.
Yeah.
Sick.
I got one just as you were entering, and then it. Yeah. That's
How
pretty
deep
cool.
did it come up to?
About there.
That's it, all the way through.
Yeah. It's like the deepest it got to.
That's misleading, isn't it?
Absolutely mint. Grade A. Oh yeah.
No, we're just taking pictures of the car, that was all. Yeah, waiting for the light.
Waiting for golden hour. Are you impressed with it so far? Yeah. No? At least you know you can do it though.
Yeah.
That's always the big thing, isn't it? See the dark. Yeah. Wow.
Oh, hang on, I'll do.
Yeah. And if I brought my drone, I might just fly it out there. Yeah. Because there's literally no obstacles either.
Line of sight, good.
Are you going to try that 100 times zoom? Whoa.
That's a mouth, that's a river.
Yeah.
Well, that's the floor. That's the floor. Yeah. Right, yeah. One of those is a floor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's the river.
Wow.